Hello children, it's me Shikha Mishra, TGT Science from JNB Both. Today in this video we will discuss about chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric of class 6. We will learn in this video about variety of fabrics, natural fibers and synthetic fibers, and also detailed study about the sources and differences between these fibers. So children, let us begin. Before starting this chapter, firstly we will discuss these different uses of clothes. Clothes cover our body, protect us from different weather condition or even from the insect biting. Are you thinking that why we are talking about clothes? Because we use various types of fabric from making our clothes, school's uniform, shirts, pants, saris, shawls, bedsheet, etc. are all made from different kinds of fabric. Even a school bag and gunny bags are made from a type of fabric. Let us talk about variety of fabric. Various types of fabrics which are commonly used by us are woolen, cotton, silk and synthetic. So cotton fabric usually we wear during summer season, and woolen are worn in the cold dry winter, and silk and synthetic fabrics are most comfortable when the weather is neither very hot nor very cold. So children, we uses the different types of fabric according to their properties and the season also. So one question is that from which fabrics are made up of? So children, fabrics are made up of yarns. So what is yarn? Yarn is a spun thread which is used for weaving or knitting fabrics. In other words, we can say that the thread which is used for making fabrics or clothes. Children, you might have observed that when you try to thread a needle, it may be difficult. Many a time the end of the thread is separated into a few thin strands. The thin strands of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands are called fibers. So we know you can understand that fabrics are made up of yarn, and yarn are further made up of fibers. So children, we can divide fibers into two categories. First, natural fibers, and second, synthetic fibers. The fibers of some fabrics such as cotton, jute, silk and wool are obtained from plants and animals. These are called natural fibers. Cotton and jute fibers are obtained from plants. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. It is also obtained from the hair of rabbits, yak and camels. And silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silk worm. Here is a question. The coat worn by warriors is made up of metal. So what would happen if these coats are made up of fiber? As you know, that metal coat consists of a small metal rings linked together in a pattern of form a mesh. If this metal coat is made up of any kind of fiber, then during war, sword can easily cut this fiber jacket and cause harm to warriors easily. However, modern science developed the carbon fibers which is stronger than steel. So, second type of fiber is synthetic fiber. For thousands of years, natural fibers were the only one available for making fabrics. In plants or animal source, these are called synthetic fibers. Some examples of synthetic fibers are polyester, nylon and acrylic. Synthetic fibers have their wide range of uses, such as in many household articles, in aircraft, ships, etc. So that's all about this part 1 of the chapter. Thank you.